Let's take a look at the weather now. And Tom, we're in the grips of a severe spring cold snap.
Jeremy, temperatures plummeted as much as 10 degrees below average through the weekend, delivering snow to low levels across southeast Australia. That was Waratah in Tasmania on Saturday morning, and there's Nimminable in southeast New South Wales on Saturday afternoon. And after the snow came the frost. Albury on Sunday morning woke to -2 degrees. That was the city's coldest spring temperature in 42 years. Now, that was followed by -3 in Hay this morning, their equal coldest on record. Wagga Wagga's -3 was their coldest for spring in 58 years, while a spring record was measured in Canberra this morning, a bone-chilling -7. Around Sydney, the overnight low dropped to -1 at Mount Boyce, 1 in Campbelltown and 2 in Richmond. All three were 6 below the average. The city's minimum of 7 was the coldest in 12 years for September. Sunny skies and lighter southerlies then lifted highs to around 20, although still up to 4 below average across Sydney's west. The state's low was -8 at Cooma, and that was only 1 degree off their record. Goulburn also icy at -6. Now, maximums today were not as cold as yesterday, but still below average for most towns. The state's high was 23 degrees at Singleton. On the satellite then, well, some cloud is still being driven over the south in cold southwesterly winds, and a very unusual cloud band is forming across the north for September. That's as the cold air surges well north and interacts with tropical moisture. On the chart then, well, cold winds will continue to ease tomorrow as this front moves away and a high drifts in from the west. Around the country, rare dry season rain on the forecast for Darwin. Should be dry for the southern capitals after a frosty night in Canberra and Adelaide. Now for the northeast, cold tonight, frost patches on the ranges, then a mostly sunny day, some cloud for the coast and just a slight chance of the odd shower. For the southeast, widespread severe frost on the ranges to start the day, then mostly sunny. Highs should reach the low 20s along the coast and around the mid to high teens for the ranges. To the west, a chilly night for all regions, waking to areas of frost apart from in the far northwest. Also the chance of fog across the south. Mostly sunny with residual cool air still keeping temperatures slightly below the average. On the waters, we'll have strong winds off the central and north coast, but easing early tomorrow. However, strong winds will continue off the far south coast, and the seas will average up to 2.5 metres. Now for Sydney, cool tonight, down to 11 in the city, as low as 3 degrees in the west. Mostly sunny tomorrow with south to southwesterly winds becoming light before dawn. We're heading for 22 degrees in the city, a high of 21 in Wollongong and Gosford, and climbing up to 23 tomorrow in the west. The sun will rise at 5:51, setting at 5:49 p.m. And ahead, a wide temperature range on Wednesday. The city climbing from 9 to 27 degrees, and for the west, 5 to 27. Thursday should be warm and windy, tops of 27. Then staying sunny on Friday, 24 to 25. And at this stage, it's looking like a warm and mostly sunny weekend. Jeremy?
Tom, thank you. Here's Laura Tingle for you now, standing by with 7:30.